Okay, so today we're going to cover something that we kind of already know. I feel like that's this whole chapter, but what do you do? 4.4 is linear or nonlinear. All right, we know on a graph that something is linear if it is a straight line. We know it's nonlinear if it's not a straight line. A lot of the times it'll have curves in it, or it'll be like a V shape or something, just where it's not a perfect straight line. But we don't always have a graph. So how to check if there is no graph? First, you find the slope. Okay, once you find the slope, you ask yourself, are they equal? Okay, so is my slope equal in between every 2 points? If your answer is yes, then it's going to be linear. Because if I have a point here and I'm going up 2 over 3, I go up 2 over 3 again, that's going to make a straight line. But if my slope is not equal, that's going to be nonlinear, because let's say I have a point and I go up 2 over 3, but then between this one and the next one, it's up 2 over 1. Then this one is up 3 over 1. See how that is not going to make a straight line? So that one would be nonlinear. Oh boy, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so let's do an example of that. We're going to make an XY chart. All of yours on your homework are horizontal charts like this, so that's what we're going to do. 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then down here, let's do 1, 3, 6, and 10. Okay, so we've found slope so many different ways. The easiest way, I think, to find slope on a table like this is to find your patterns. So across the top, I'm adding 1 between these 2 points, 1 and 1. Across the bottom, I'm adding 2, adding 3, and I'm adding 4. Okay, your slope is, let's write this over here. Slope is y over x. So in between these 2 points, 0, 1 and 1, 3, I'm going up 2 and over 1. Between these 2 points, I'm going up 3 and over 1. And between these two, I'm going up 4 and over 1. So is my slope equal? No. So my answer would be non-linear. Okay, so on your homework, it's on Go Formative. It will ask you to show your work. This is the work that I'm looking for. I want to see the fractions, and then you'll write your answer in the box. And you can do all of your fractions, but with the typing button. There's a T on Go Formative, and that lets you type. If you're feeling ambitious and you want to actually draw and write the numbers, you can do that too. But I think typing is the easiest way to go. Okay, let's do another one. X and then Y. We got 0, 3, 6, and 9. -3, 9, 21, and 33. Find your pattern. Across the top, I'm going up by 3s each time. How far is it from -3 to 9? Well, if you just take 9 minus a -3, that would get you 12. From 9 to 21, it's also 12. And from 21 to 33, also 12. So my fraction this time is going to be 12 over 3, 12 over 3, and 12 over 3. Are they all equal? Yes, they would all simplify to be 4. So that would be a linear function. Okay, so remember, on your homework, this is the work that I'm looking for, and then your answer in the box. Okay, we got one word problem. We'll do that and then we'll be done. Is the relationship between the side length of a square and its area linear? So I like making XY charts like this. I just think they're easier to draw. I can use these lines instead of drawing my own. So let's make, we got side length and area. Let's make X my side length and let's make Y my area. So let's say I have a side length of 1. So my square is just a little 1 by 1 square. How do I find the area of a square? You take length times width. So if my length is 1 and my width is 1, then my area would be 1. Let's say my side length is 2. Then I would take 2 times 2, which is 4. Side length of 3. 3 times 3 would give me 9. And a side length of 4. 4 times 4 would give me 16. So now I have to see if this is linear. So plus 1 there, all the way across here. 1 to 4 is plus 3. 4 to 9 is plus 5. And that's plus 7. So my fraction would be, I don't know why I started backwards, 7 over 1, 5 over 1, and 3 over 1. So this is a non-linear function. All right, and that is your notes for today.